Hi friends, and thanks for coming for our lesson today. Today we're going to be studying snowflakes. And I don't know if you can see this picture here, but these are snowflakes. I don't know if you can tell, but we have all these awesome snowflakes here. We have tiny ones, we have big clusters. And did you know that there are so many types of snowflakes? So we have big ones and small ones, but most all snowflakes are very, very tiny. So I wanted to show you a piece of equipment that we use to look at snowflakes, okay? Have you guys seen this before? This is called a microscope, And microscopes have this neat little viewer here where you put your eye. I don't know if you can wink, but you put your eye there like that. Boop. And here's somebody using a microscope. And what you do is you put your eye there, and it makes everything that's on this little platform here really big, look really, really, really big. So like 10 times bigger, 20 times, 30 times. So those are tens, but they really do. They make them, the very small things look very big. So we're gonna kind of think about that and have our own little microscopes at home while we look at our snowflakes, because they're very small, and that's how we're gonna see some of them, okay? We're also gonna see some in real life, which would be cool too. All right, so let's check it out. Everybody get your microscope. You kind of put your hand over your eye like this and try to close the other. Ah, there's our microscope. It's too hard. You can just look. So we have all of these types of snowflakes. These are all snowflakes. Now this one kind of looks more like a snowflake maybe that you've seen. This one too. But some of these, it looks so different, right? And that's what's kind of fun about snowflakes, is that they have actually lots of different types. So there are 35 different shapes of snowflakes, and I thought it'd be fun to count to 35 by fives. We're learning about counting by tens and fives and just trying to remember. So I thought that'd be a fun practice, okay? All right, let's count by fives to 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Awesome. So that's good brain work there. We're just learning about all these different types, 35 different shapes of snowflakes. So we're going to go over a couple. We're not going to go over all of them, but we're going to go over a couple and get a chance to see the categories, okay? Let's look at the first one. Look at that shape. What kind of shape is that you see? Like a line, like a stick, kind of, right? They call these column crystals. You say column crystals? Column crystals. And you know, a column is kind of like, you know, your toilet paper roll, toilet paper roll in your bathroom. So that's kind of like a column. It's kind of round like that. And so if you think of these look like they're flat, but they're actually round. And so just like a little roll. And that's why we call them column crystals. And those are the ones, remember, we have to look at them really small. Microscope. They're really tiny, but that's what they look like. It's kind of cool. Okay, so those are called column crystals. Let's look at the next one. Oh, look at those. This looks like a snowflake that I see a lot when we do like arts and crafts, or when we see snowflakes drawn, right? They look kind of like this. Look at all these beautiful points and all the different kinds. You know, snowflakes, these kind of snowflakes usually have they have 6 points. Should we try to count the points here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should we try it on the next one? This one actually has a couple of points, but it also has these like legs. So we'd say 6 legs here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Let's do this one more. We'll take just one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. So yeah, 6 points. And these kinds of snowflakes are called plain crystal. Can you say plain crystal? Plain crystal, plain crystal. Plain means kind of like a piece of paper. It's flat and the snowflake can go right on top of it. Not like those kind of like rolly ones, the ones that kind of are column shaped. So, and then I thought it'd be neat to show you how they look in real life. Look, isn't that neat? So if you look like on it looks like this is like a twig here, you might be able to see crystal snowflakes growing just like that. Isn't that cool? Oh, it's so much fun. So, and that's what happens when it snows, you know, in the mountains. Okay, so let's look at another one, which is really neat. I'm really excited to show you this. Everybody get their microscope out again. I know it's really tough. You can just keep both your eyes open if you want to do your microscope like that. This is a neat kind of snowflake. It's a real snowflake. And it has this column in the middle. And then it has the plain crystals on the end. So it has snowflakes on the end, and then it has this long sort of tube through the middle. And it is called combination of column and plain snowflakes. So it's like putting both of them together. You put 2 snowflakes together, and they do that. I want to show you them in real life, okay? Because it's kind of what they look like in real life. Hard to see, huh? But if you look right here, right there, you might be able to see it. Do you kind of see where I'm circling? It's hard to tell, but that's why we have to use our microscope brain. All right, let's go to the next one. All right. Oh, these are so pretty. These kind of look like the other snowflakes that we just saw with the 6 points, right? Do you still see those 6 points? Actually, look at this one. It doesn't have 6 points. It has more, actually. Let's see what they're called. Rimmed snow crystal. Can you say rimmed snow crystal? Rimmed snow crystal, which means that it has like extra crystals on the end. See how they're a little fuzzier? They're just like a fuzzier kind of snowflake. And this one looks like it has even little bubbles in it. So yeah, that's kind of, it's the same kind of snowflake that we saw before, the plain crystal, but it's got little more fuzzies on it, which is more ice. So cool, huh? Well, thank you so much for looking at all these different kinds of snowflakes with me. I really enjoyed showing you, and hopefully you'll maybe get a chance to see some snow and take a look at how snowflakes are made. But it's a really neat thing in nature, so I just wanted to show you guys. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys for another lesson soon. Bye.